I think it's a girl because she has eyelashes.
Oh, really?
But there's some that can change what they are. Oh my gosh. Like over the Tazzy, don't kick that. Don't kick stuff off the floor. Don't kick it. Don't kick it for me.
That's what are you doing?
Okay, me.
What? Did he say leave me alone?
No.
What did he say? Okay, leave me alone. I think that's what he said. What? What no like?
Okay.
Worry. Worry. Hey, me, no, me, you.
What?
And
Worry. Worry.
We keep a chewing.
Please.
Oh, did he say place? Did he say place, baby?
yes.
Please.
No help.
Me no help?
Yeah.
Wow, big light.
No me like?
It's supposed to be I don't like.
I don't like. You are so funny. This is a 1998 Furby?
Yeah.
Furby?
But the ones in 2016, I think they can change to different people, like a girl, a boy, an old lady, an old grandpa, or something.
Oh,
They
really?
can change it to anything.
Yeah.
Maybe even dog.
Really nice. This is a 1998 Furby and 1998 until now 2016 is still working. It's really cool too.
Wow.
Put it down. Okay, you tired?
What you want?
What?
Me scared.
Scared of what?